Igneous rocks. In this video, we are going to see about formation of igneous rocks. Extrusive igneous rocks. Magma is a hot viscous liquid of minerals formed within the Earth's crust. Intrusive igneous rocks. When magma gets cooled and solidified with the Earth crust, they get turned into rock called intrusive igneous rocks. When gets some disturbance, that is like earthquake, they get exploded to the surface of Earth and forms as rock called extrusive igneous rock. Sedimentary rocks. In this video, we are going to see about sedimentary rocks. Igneous rocks gets disintegrated by weathering actions like wind, rain, heat and snow, which deposited as layers. The disintegrated particles are deposited by layers as follows: sedimentary, sedimentary rock, fossil and fossil fuel. Sandstone. Sandstone was a popular building material from ancient times. It is relatively soft, so it can be easily carved. Conglomerate. Conglomerate rock is used as decoration. Usually, it is a kind of ornamental stone. Limestone. Limestone is composed largely of mineral calcium carbonate. Shale. Shale is used in making bricks, cement, concrete and ceramic products. Metamorphic rocks. Let us see how metamorphic rocks are formed in this animation. Due to change in temperature and pressure, the existing igneous and sedimentary rocks can change their characteristics. These changes are in their shape, structure and its mineral composition. The process of formation of metamorphic rock are called as metamorphism. Stratified rocks. In this animation, we are going to see how stratified rocks are formed. The existing rocks are layered by lava flows and volcanic fragmental deposits. So, the structure of stratified rocks are clearly layered. We can easily split the stratified rocks along layers due to stratification. Unstratified rocks. Now we are going to see about unstratified rocks. Unstratified rocks are contrast of stratified rocks. The structure of the unstratified rocks are not layered, so we cannot easily split these rocks. Foliated rocks. Now we are going to see about foliated rocks. Foliated rocks are get layered in the structure. Metamorphic rocks before gets deformation. In this stage, minerals are deposited in horizontal bed. After deformation of external agencies, the existing rocks gets transformed into foliated rocks. These processes of deformation are known as foliation, and we easily split these rocks along bedded plains